When it comes to family, love, and faith, Erin Bates and her husband have always shared their journey with fans. But recently, after the birth of their son, Erin's health took center stage, and her husband has now shared an update that has everyone talking. Erin Bates, a mom of 5 and a beloved member of the Bates family, has always been admired for the way she balances motherhood with grace, warmth, and unwavering faith. From raising her children to being such a central part of her family story, Erin has inspired so many with her strength and positivity. The arrival of her new baby was a moment of joy, but also brought new challenges. Fans celebrated alongside her family, but when word spread about her health struggles, concern quickly grew. Support and prayers poured in from around the world as many rallied behind Erin, hoping for positive updates. This mix of excitement, worry, and faith has made Erin's story even more powerful, and now, her husband's heartfelt update has given fans a clearer picture of what she's been facing and how they're moving forward together. The anticipation leading up to Erin's pregnancy and delivery was nothing short of heartfelt for her family and fans alike. Throughout her journey, many people followed closely, knowing her health history and the struggles she's bravely shared in the past. Every update from Erin felt personal, as if fans were right there beside her, cheering her on, praying for her, and hoping for the safe arrival of her baby boy. When the moment finally came, the Bates family was overjoyed. Erin gave birth to a beautiful baby boy, and the celebration of new life was deeply emotional. The arrival of her son brought immense happiness, not only to Erin and her husband, but also to the countless fans who had been anxiously awaiting the news. For a mother who has openly walked through trials, this birth felt like a gift, a miracle, and a powerful reminder of faith and resilience. But with that joy also came concern. Shortly after delivery, Erin faced postpartum health challenges that required careful attention. It was during this time that her husband decided to step forward with an update for everyone who had been following their story. He knew fans cared deeply, and he wanted to be transparent, not to cause worry, but to invite continued prayers and to show gratitude for the support they'd already given. His message carried a mixture of relief, honesty, and faith. He expressed profound thankfulness for their healthy baby boy, while also acknowledging the hurdles Erin was facing in her recovery. In his words, there was both vulnerability and hope, the gratitude of a husband who had just welcomed a son, and the concern of a man watching his wife battle through health struggles. He reminded everyone that their family leans heavily on faith during difficult times, trusting that God's hand is at work even in the most uncertain moments. His update wasn't just about Erin's condition, it was also a testimony of their love, resilience, and the unshakable belief that they would come through this together. When life throws unexpected challenges, many people turn to what anchors them most, and for Erin and her husband, that anchor has always been their faith. In the midst of her health struggles, they've leaned heavily on prayer, scripture, and the belief that God's plan, though sometimes difficult, is always purposeful. Their willingness to openly share this faith journey has inspired countless fans, many of whom say they've found encouragement in watching the couple's resilience. At the heart of it all is the strength of their marriage. Erin's husband has stepped into an even greater role during the season, not just as a loving partner, but as a dedicated father. From caring for their newborn son to supporting Erin through doctor visits and recovery, he's shown the kind of quiet, steady love that often goes unseen but makes all the difference in a family's story. His updates to fans come not just from a place of transparency, but also out of deep care for Erin, ensuring she is surrounded by prayers and positivity. And of course, the Bates family support system has been nothing short of remarkable. Siblings, parents, and even extended family have come together to help however they can, whether that's watching the kids, bringing meals, or simply offering words of encouragement. It's a reminder that family doesn't just celebrate the joys together, but also stands strong during the hardest battles. Fans have also stepped in with their own outpouring of love. Prayers, heartfelt comments, and uplifting messages have flooded social media, with many sharing how Erin's story has touched their lives. Some say they've walked through similar postpartum struggles, while others simply want to show that Erin isn't alone. This connection between the Bates family and their supporters creates a powerful cycle of encouragement and hope. Erin's journey resonates deeply because it's so real. Many moms know the joy of welcoming a baby while also facing unexpected health struggles. Her openness gives voice to those experiences, reminding families everywhere that vulnerability and faith can coexist with strength and hope. As the days passed following the delivery, Erin's husband knew fans were waiting for news, and he stepped forward with a heartfelt update. He shared that while the journey hasn't been easy, there has been real progress in Erin's recovery. Step by step, she's regaining her strength, and her family is making sure she has the time and support she needs to heal. He emphasized just how grateful they are for every prayer, every message, and every word of encouragement that's come their way. In his words, it's been a reminder that faith and community truly do make a difference in life's hardest moments. That sense of support has carried them through the uncertain days, and for that, they couldn't be more thankful. The update wasn't just about Erin's health, it was also a testament to her resilience. Despite the challenges, she continues to pour love into her family, standing strong as a mother of 5. For her and her husband, their faith has been the anchor through it all. And alongside those deep struggles has come joy, the blessing of welcoming a healthy baby boy into their arms. Moments like these remind us that even those we see on TV or social media, people who may seem like they have it all together, walk through valleys too. By sharing their stories so openly, Erin and her husband have become a source of inspiration, showing that love, faith, and perseverance can carry us through even the toughest storms. As we come to the close of this video, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've walked through together. From the joy of welcoming Erin and her husband's precious baby boy, to the difficult moments surrounding Erin's health struggles, and finally, to the heartfelt update her husband shared, this story has been one of both challenges and triumphs. We've seen how faith and resilience can carry a family through the hardest of times, how the unwavering love between Erin and her husband shines through, and how the Bates family, along with fans everywhere, have come together in prayer and support. Stories like Erin's remind us that family, faith, and community are the pillars that keep us standing when life feels uncertain. It's in those moments of vulnerability that love proves to be the strongest anchor. Erin Bates's husband's update has given fans hope and reassurance, showing once again the power of love and support during life's toughest moments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.